Welcome to Mary's Monday Minute. Tell me what you're doing here. Here we are at Gause Elementary and here you are, a high school student. Tell me what you're doing here.
So I do kind of a mix of observing and helping out, and then I go back to my class at the high school and write notes about what I did and what I learned and what was being taught.
Okay. What did you think the first time you knew that Miss Claire, a high school student, was coming down to help in your classroom? What did you think?
At first, I thought it was kind of weird.
Okay, all right. But then what did you think?
And then I thought it was kind of cool.
I thought it was super exciting. She helps us when we're feeling like this is too hard. She'll come and help us.
I think that the high school program, I wish they had it when I was in high school. Community is huge, right? So I think it's kind of an awesome opportunity for them to come back into the school they either grew up in or be exposed to a different school.
Do you think that we should have more students like Claire coming down to your class? Okay, that's a double thumbs up over there.